Oh, you're just giving yourself a little bath, aren't you? Even though it's nasty because you lick your butt. What? It's true, you do. Go back. Go back to cleaning yourself. What? Is it because I called you out? Really? You're gonna look at me just like that? You know it's true. You lick your butt. You have butt breath. You put butt breath all over yourself. I still love you though. I just won't let you lick my face. Because that's nasty. Even though your little tongue feels good. Little tiny itty bitty brushes. What? You were just cleaning your leg not too long ago. Still love you, fat girl. My little itty bitty kitty bitty. Tiny itty bitty shitty shitty. Something ridiculous. Ugh. Now you're trying to clean yourself. So cute. My little itty bitty fat girl cleaning herself. Oh, that was so funny. Oh, you're tired now? You're tired of using your little itty bitty tongue to clean yourself? Hey, look at your little toe pads. So cute. So soft. Also so stinky. Because you walk everywhere. How does your tongue handle that kind of abuse? You're still adorable. Even though you are a public menace.